Have you ever wondered how comments in Power BI service can enhance your self-service data discovery, collaboration, and communication? Well, stick around because in this video, we will show you 5 use cases that will empower your team in their Power BI projects. Before we delve into the possibilities, let's cover the basics of comments in Power BI service. Comments provide a platform for real-time communication and collaboration within your Power BI reports, dashboards, and apps. I'm going to show you where you can find the comment section. So I have my Power BI service opened. I am in my app section and I'm going to open this app that was shared with me called Demo. This demo is about the average length of stay for multiple locations for the year 2021 to 2023. If you come to the top bar here and you hover over each icon, you will see what it is about. So we are interested in this one that says comment. When you click on it, you will be able to add a comment that you want and also view the comment of those who have access to this app. Now, let's cover our use cases. First use case is collaboration. Comments in Power BI service can supercharge your collaboration within your team. Let's say you are working on a complex project and your team members are scattered around multiple locations. With comments, you can have discussions right where the data is, which eliminates the need for back and forth conversations and separate communication tools. Let's see an example. I'm swifting around this app and I noticed that Springfield Hospital has the highest average length of stay. So I want to highlight this. So if I click on this visual, you see here the 3 dots. You go to add a comment. And then here, I'm going to add my comments saying, you know what, this ALOS is pretty high, so let's have a discussion about it. So the ALOS is 7.2 days. Let us connect to discuss strategies. And then a cool feature is to mention your team members. In this case, I'm going to mention myself. And then you get here the suggestion. And then the person that you mention is going to be notified by email that he has been mentioned in a comment. And then he will be directed to the comment. So I'm going to post it. I'm going to close. Now, when they are directed into the comment section, this is how they will see it. So if they want to know what the person is talking about, you see here the bookmark, and now you know where this comment was made. Comments are not just great for conversations, which leads us to use case number 2, documentation. Comments are a powerful tool for documentation purposes. Let's say you are a report author and you have made changes to your report, and you would like your audience to know what has changed and why. This provides a historical record and lets your team members understand how the report is changing over time. I'm going to show you 3 examples on how you can use documentations and comments in your app. First example is whenever you have made a visual adjustment. So let's say in my ALOS trend graph here, I used to have green and red colors to show the current year and the forecasted, but now I have changed it to light blue and blue. So I want my audience to know what has changed. So I click on the visual and I add a comment saying that this is a visual adjustment and I have changed the colors and why you have done that. Another example is whenever you add a new metric to your report and you want your user to understand what it is about and how it can help in their analysis. So let's say I've just added the length of stay distribution. I click on it and I add a comment saying that I'm introducing this new metric that is the length of stay distribution, and it offers a comprehensive view of the distribution pattern in patient stays. A third example would be whenever you make a calculation adjustment to one of the metrics that you have. So let's say I used to calculate the average length of stay with observation stays. And then after meeting with executives, they'd be like, the average length of stay should exclude some factors. And then you change it. And you want your user to know why this number has changed because, you have made changes to the calculation. So obviously the number will change. So you can do that by, saying, this is a calculation adjustment, and now I have changed my calculation method to a new one, and then you explain why you have done that. So far, we have covered collaboration and documentation, which leads us to use case number 3, review. Comments can help streamline review processes. So if you are a manager and you want to access your report, provide a feedback, or even ask a question, make use of comments because they help ensure that your reports continuously meet expectations. Let's say you are going through this report and you notice that there is a potential data quality issue because when I click on 2022, I have no data. So I would like to mention the data quality team and help them notice that there is an issue. So I come to my comment here and I say, I notice an inconsistency in the 2022, so let's review the data source to check for any potential issues. Another way is, let's say you are very happy with the 2023 look and feel of the app, so you want to congratulate your team on doing a very good job. So you can add a comment here. Say you would like to have an additional analysis. So for the ALOS trend, you see that it is by month, but you are interested to have it by week. If you click on this, you want to add a comment, and then you say, so what if we explore the average length of stay by days of the week? And then you can tag whoever is responsible to do that. Comments are not just for seasoned Power BI users. Which leads me to use case number 4, onboarding and training purposes. Let me show you how. Let's say I am a new member to the team and I have been shared this app. And I don't know how to use it, but I know that I have been mentioned in comments. So I click on the link and I am landed to this page and I see here that I am tagged. So they are telling me to simply hover over each bar for detailed information. So if I hover over here, I am getting the length of stay is same day, and then the number is the total number of patients. And then same goes for each data point. And then another way is they are telling me that I need to keep an eye out for the top 10 services because it is important for our analysis. So now I know that I need to hover over each visual to get more information and also to keep an eye out on the top 10 services. So now I'm ready to use this report confidently and without hesitation. Last use case is to use comments for requests. Let's say I am looking at the average length of stay visual here, and I notice that there is a green background color. And I'd like to change this to a conditional formatting color. So I'll just click on it again and add a comment saying that the owner of this app to explore if we can add a conditional formatting, and then I'm going to explain to him what I mean. And then see his thoughts on this enhancement. And then I'm going to post it. So if we want to do a recap, if you come to the comment section and you are not sure what each comment is about, just click on this icon here and then you will know the context for that comment. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comment section if you are using comments in Power BI service in any other way. See you next time. Bye!